The Arts at Pacifica is just a wonderful experience to get to know one another better. You get to see your classmates in a different context other than a classroom and athletics, and it's a wonderful creative outlet for so many talented people to come together and make something beautiful and meaningful.
Coming to Pacifica, I was kind of unsure, but having this incredible program where just being surrounded by other people that have the same passion is something that's so cool.
This is our spring musical extravaganza, which encompasses a total of about 68 students in the Pacifica community, and it is an explosive adventure in every single way you can imagine.
My role in this production is stage manager, and me alongside my classmates are running the whole show backstage, so it's a student-run production. I am super proud of seeing our tech group of 7 people running the whole thing and catching on to the different parts of the production. We're really competitive, so when the lights go out, you see everyone like jumping up like ninjas and trying to move all the set pieces in time. It's a lot of kind of like getting the adrenaline of the theater without actually having to memorize lines and act, which isn't what I like.
What's particularly exciting to me is seeing students discover the gifts that they really have and they didn't know that they possessed.
During my first 2 years, I ran cross country and I was a part of the varsity team and I was team captain, but I also still was involved in the arts, and the fact that I've been able to do and be a part of so many other organizations and extracurriculars at Pacifica while still dedicating the majority of my time to arts has been an incredible journey.
Since I'm a transfer, I didn't expect to be doing these productions. I really wanted to do volleyball. And then I decided after the fall show that I'd like to drop out of volleyball completely and pursue the arts. Even my volleyball coach was like, make sure you give me the show dates. Like, he showed up to Macbeth with, the whole volleyball team was there.
I've always been quiet and kind of followed orders, so it's been a whole experience having people to tell them what the next step is. That's something that I didn't think I had in me, like the ability to just step up and lead.
We've come a long way from freshman year founding the arts department, in which basically our only set was a couch and some peanuts on the floor.
That first play, Once in a Lifetime, that we did, where it was a different show every night because we didn't know our lines, to now this incredible production of Into the Woods.
It's just amazing to see what growth can come in such a short amount of time.
This student-run production, it's student-driven, but student-driven with the best support that's out there.
The experience and professionalism involved in a show like this at a school our size is amazing. I'm so grateful to be part of Pacifica because of the people in the community that we have.
I feel like I've become the Emma that I'm striving and continuing to try to be.
I like to compare it to a puzzle because everybody has their different piece and they can just be themselves. We all kind of fit in together.
The theater is a place where I feel I have the most fun and enjoyment and feel closest to my other students.
What an amazing place that's so small and intimate and yet has so many great opportunities for each individual to find themselves and feel at home and really grow as a person in these 4 vital years of their lives.
Good afternoon. It's my great pleasure to tell you about the arts at Pacifica. Like everything else at this precious school, the arts are rooted and grounded in truth, beauty, and excellence. Our teachers care first and foremost about your students' well-being and the relationship that our faculty develop with them through shared epiphanies and the joy found in hard work makes our art department truly unique. Students here can study digital arts, drawing and painting, and theater arts all 4 years. We have a wide array of beginning, advanced, and AP classes from which they can choose. And our instructors are trained working professionals in their field, but they're also devoted to education. And they prioritize the relationships that they build with your students. I'd like to share a story about Andrea Smith, our digital arts teacher. She is new to Pacifica, but already absolutely beloved. During Halloween, it looked a little bit different year because for many students because of COVID, but Andrea developed a wonderful lesson plan built around Halloween. Now, the students were learning about camera work and shutter speed, but they thought they were having a Halloween party in digital arts where we're learning how to take pictures while we throw glitter in the air and how to focusing and non-focusing on candy and perspectives. They created phenomenal work, and they felt such joy in doing it. We do have 2 to 3 large-scale art shows per year that bring our entire community together. They're eclectic and exciting, and we look so forward to enjoying those experiences again. But during the time of COVID, we've been able to produce 2 full-scale digital art shows that blessed everyone who saw them, and you're enjoying some of examples of that today. Our robust theater arts program is designed for the novice or the expert. Whether your student wants to try something new, have a great time fulfilling a dream of being on stage, or whether your student wants to perform at Lincoln Center, this is the program. We compete. We belong to the prestigious International Thespian Festival. We take trips. We attend state and national theater conferences. Shakespeare's a big part of our program. Every other year we do a Shakespeare play, and we travel to the internationally famous Utah Shakespeare Festival. It's the only Tony Award-winning theater west of the Mississippi, and students study with Broadway artists. And we've won awards at this national competition. I can't forget to mention the production of Twelfth Night that just closed a week ago. Yes, we're in the midst of a pandemic. Yes, indoor theater productions are not happening. But yes, at Pacifica, the show must go on safely, responsibly, and joyfully. We did a large-scale production at Mariners Church, Shakespeare in the parking lot. Well over 30 students were involved. The entire community came together, and it was just another reason for all of us to love Pacifica. There's so much for your student here at Pacifica in the arts. Pacifica, as you've heard, is founded upon creeds and pillars of virtue and morality, and the arts department is so proud to be part of that. We encourage connectors and thinkers and creators, all these components of the Pacifica person. But enough talk about the Pacifica person. I'm proud for you to meet a Pacifica person right now. It's my great pleasure to introduce to you Will Carlson. Will, come on up, please.